Welcome to our Flexbox chapter. Here, we're going to introduce the concepts behind the Flexible Box module, or Flexbox for short, which you can use to arrange elements quickly and easily. Developers use Flexbox to organize elements inside containers and alter their spacing, alignment, and order. Flexbox is designed to be used in responsive websites where sizes of elements can vary across devices. We often see Flexbox used in nav bars, banners, footers, and card layouts. In fact, Flexbox is so versatile, you'll probably find yourself using it in every project you work on. But this barely scratches the surface of what Flexbox does. In your work, you'll find yourself using Flexbox to arrange elements inside navigation bars, card views, and other common UI elements. Before we get into the lessons, let's take a quick look at some of Flexbox's most commonly used declarations. To apply Flexbox to a group of elements, add display flex to the parent container. This declaration will turn an element into a flex container, meaning you can apply Flexbox rules to arrange and rearrange its child elements. Flexbox allows you to arrange elements in two directions, horizontally and vertically. Flexbox also lets you reorder elements with the drop of a hat. Contrast this to working with a traditional HTML list. If you wanted to reorder list items, you'd have to go into the HTML and actually move them. Here, we just write one CSS declaration. Justify content is another valuable time saver. Its default value is flex start. With it, you can change the space between elements as well as their starting point in the flex container. This may remind you of aligning text in Google Docs or Microsoft Word. That's because it uses the same technology and ideas. However, justify content works with elements, not text, and does much more. It doesn't require other properties like padding, margins, or text align, making it A, easier to use and change, and B, automatically making it responsive. Finally, let's take a look at Flex Wrap. You might already have some experience creating tables in HTML. They're time-tested and well-maintained, but clunky by today's standards. With one declaration, Flexbox can turn a list into a table and vice versa. No more special HTML elements, no more unnecessary white space on large screens, and no more jumping between your style sheet and HTML document. Flexbox has other unorthodox properties too, like allowing you to change list orders ad hoc, which can come handy in certain situations. You can also set rules for how Flexbox should resize elements as screen sizes grow and shrink. On the whole, Flexbox adds functionality to CSS that was previously in the realm of hacks and bad practices. What used to take lines and lines of code now takes a single declaration. Learning Flexbox now will save you thousands of hours of work over the course of your career. But in the meantime, don't worry if this feels like a lot. We're about to go into more detail on all of it.